Farò che tu che asciughi quella lacrima tornerò. Come è possibile un anno senza te? Adesso scrivo, aspettami, il tempo passerà. Un anno non lo aspetto, tornerò. Com'è difficile restare senza te. Sei la vita mia, oh, stagione, senza te tornerò, tornerò. Come everybody wave. Sei la vita mia, la stagione, senza te tornerò, pensami se sto, tornerò. Keep it going, everybody. Wave those flags. Here we go with Gloria. Here we go. Wave those flags, come on. You're Italian, you're proud. Wave those flags. Here we go. Gloria, marchi su medaglia, anche tu la mano, che lavora piano, anche questa bocca, che cibo più non tocca, è sempre questa storia, che mi amiamo Gloria, Gloria sui tuoi fianchi, la mattina nasce il sole, e tra notte lasciamo che d'amore Gloria, Gloria, manchi giù nell'aria, manchi come sale, manchi più di sole, scioglie questa neve che soffoca il mio petto, oh, ti aspetto a Gloria. Wave those flags, come on everybody. You're from Sicily, Napolitani, Calabrese, I don't care where you're from. Wave those flags. Here we go, little star star. Sai, su di me, questa notte è come se fosse lei, fosse io, fosse quello che ero io. Poi, sai, non ci metto di furare, visto vai, e se scrivere non ti chiudo. Non c'è nessuno che viene fuori, sei tu. Con il mio figlio si può, con tutti gli occhi sei no. E come fare questa volta, voglio prendere la mia braccia, ti metti intorno a lei, lo sai, e questo è la storia. Okay, everybody, wave the flags nice and high. This next song is called Ti amo, which in English means I love you. Here we go.
In sogno ti amo, in aria ti amo, se vede il testo vuol dire che basta, lasciamoci. Amo, in sogno ti amo, in fondo un uomo che
Thank you so much. Wave your flags. Thank you. Thanks so much for having us. My name is Biagio. Let's hear for Gianna and Tiana. Thank you so much. We're going to bring Paul Borghese back on. Grazie a tutti. Thank you.
Okay. All right, we're ready. We're going to do our song, Biagio. We're going to do our song. Now you go. Just leave me with the two girls. Wait a second. I don't want to let them leave yet. Do you? Do we want them to... Can I talk you to do one more song? Do we want them to do one more song? We want them alone, or we want them with the girls, or let the girls leave? I heard girls. But he's a handsome guy, isn't he? He's the best dressed guy I know. I don't know where you got that shirt from, Biagio.
Vegas,
I have to get one. And he stays so fit.
We try.
Unbelievable. I gotta have. All right, girls, are you good for another
You
song?
ready?
I know it's hot up here.
Thanks,
We'll put the
Paul.
fans
Thank
back
you.
on.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. One more song, and then we'll move
Let's
on.
hear it for Paul Borghese, ladies and
Let's
gentlemen.
hear it for Biagio.
So right now, we need everybody's help. We're going to try this. We're going to have the different regions. We're going to see who's the most dominant region tonight. So let me see all the flags up in the air. This is our last song. So how many Sicilians we have here tonight? Let me hear you yell. Okay, I actually need one Sicilian, only one, to stay over here.
Come on.
Who's going to be one Sicilian? One, to be right here, because you're the team captain. Where is he? Or she? I need one. One Sicilian. Bravo. Bravo, Tony. All right, how many Napolitani we have here? The group, the Napolitans are here. So I know I got to call Enza. Enza and Anton, you both got to come up. All right, Calabrese. Who's Calabrese? I know some people. You Calabrese? Come over here. So we have, look, Sicil, Napolitano, Calabrese over here. Right over here. Swing it down here, Enza. Calabrese over here, okay. Abruzzese, do we have Abruzzese? I need one, only one Abruzzese. Let me see. Come over here. Wait, you're Calabrese or Abruzzese? You're both? We're going to split you in two. Okay. Do we have any Abruzzese? Bravo. Okay. We have anybody from Rome? Anybody from Rome here? Wow. Very good. Right here. Roma. Very good. Okay, now I'm going to try this. We're going to try. When you hear your region, you're going to yell. So how many Sicilians here? Let me see. Do they have flags? Give them flags. Huh? No, give them flags here. Okay, here we got. All right, Napolitani, let me hear you. Ready, Calabrese? Calabrese. This lady here, you know she's Calabrese, she's talking already. Okay, Abruzzese is over here. All right, Romani. Very good. So when you hear your region, we want you to yell. But I'm going to try something first. These are the different regions. But how many Italians we have here tonight? That's everybody. Let me hear everybody yell. Everybody. All right, you got it now. So when you hear your region, you're going to yell. We did a song called E Compare. We changed the words. But when you hear your region, yell. All right, so here we go with E Compare. Everybody else, wave your flags and yell when you hear your region. Here we go. Wave your flags. Here we go. E compare, si vuoi parlare Napoli, come parlano I napoletani. E come parlano I napoletani. I napoletani. E compare, si vuoi parlare Sicily, come parlano I siciliani. E come parlano I siciliani. I siciliani. You got it. E compare. sei sì, e come parlano, diavolo sei sì, diavolo sei sì, i calabresi, i romani, i siciliani, i napoletani. Very good. Now everybody scream Italia. E comare, si vuol parlare. Everybody. Come parlano gli italiani. E come parlano gli italiani. Gli italiani, gli abruzzesi, i calabresi, i romani, i siciliani, i napoletani. Okay, everybody here tonight, wave your flags, be proud, here we go! Italia! Italia! Forza! E compare, si vuol parlare, everybody, come parlano gli italiani, e come parlano gli italiani, gli abruzzesi, i calabresi, i romani, i siciliani, i napoletani. Give yourselves a round of applause. And we gotta pick a winner. Wait, we gotta pick a winner. Right? Aspetta. Staten Island. So here we go. Wait a minute. Let me hear for Romani. How many Romani? Okay. Calabresi. Abruzzesi. Napolitani. Siciliani. What do you think? Come on, Tiana. I think Sicily won tonight. Siciliani. But wait a minute. Remember, we all win because we're all Italian. Give yourselves a round of applause. Thank you so much for having us. There's a lot of acts coming on after us. Grazie a tutti. Have a good night. Thank you so much.
Okay, let's have a big hand for Biagio and his lovely dancing girls. Unbelievable, unbelievable. I just realized, you know, they match your shirt. That's pretty good. I like that. Okay.